Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of general knowledge, and in today's video we are going to start a new chapter from your general knowledge book. So we are going to start chapter 3, Homes of Animals. Okay students, so firstly take out your general knowledge book, which is look like this. Okay students, and open chapter 3, Homes of Animals. So students, open chapter 3, page number 8. So students, tell me, what's the name of chapter 3? Homes of Animals. Our chapter name is Homes of Animals. So students, like the human beings, animals too need homes, okay? They also need shelters to live, okay? Or a place where they can live, okay? So in today's class, we will learn about the animals' home, okay? That different kinds of animals live in different places. So in this chapter, we will read about it, and we will do some exercises to find out that where do the different kinds of animals live. Okay, is that clear? So students, animals are living being, as you all know. What what is a living being? What is a living being, students? What do you mean by living beings? Do you know what is the meaning of living being? As you can see students, here different kinds of animals pictures are given, and also their homes are given. Okay, so you have to match the animals with their homes. Okay, you have to take the animals to their homes. Okay, so let's start with the first animal. So what is the first animal? Look at this first picture, students. What is this? This is a lion. Okay, what is this? This is a lion. And where did the lion live, students? So lions live in forests. Okay, they live in a den. Okay, and where do the den located, students? The den located in the forests. Okay, so that is why we called the lion the king of the forest. Okay, because the lion live in a den in the forest. So you have to match lion with the option C, means den. Okay, you have to match the lion to the den. Okay, on the number C. Okay, it's a C. You have to match the lion with the den. Okay, now next animal. So next animal is horse. Okay, next animal is horse. So you have to take this horse to the stable, because horses lives in stable. Okay, because horses lives in stable, so you have to take this horse to the stable. So draw a line between the horse and stable. Very good. Okay, you have to draw a line between the horse and stable like this. Okay, now move on to the next one, animal. Okay, so next one is dog. Okay, next one is dog. So this is a dog. So students, now firstly tell me how a dog helps us, students. So dog protect our homes from the thieves. Okay, so dog is a very important animal for us. Okay, so where do the dog lives? Do you know where do the dog lives? So dogs lives in a kennel. Okay, dogs lives in a kennel. So you have to take the dog to the kennel. Okay, you have to take the dog to the kennel like this. Okay, you have to draw a line between the dog and kennel. Okay, between dog, you have to take the dog to the kennel. Okay, is that clear? Now move on to the next one. What is this, students? Look at this picture. This is a cow. What is this? This is a cow. Okay, so where do the cows live, students? Do you know where do the cows live? So cows lives in a shed. Okay, so cows lives in a shed. So you have to take the cow to the shed. Okay, now take the cow to the shed. Okay, so draw a line and take the cow to the shed. So students, now tell me, how a cow useful for us? Because cow gives us milk. Okay, and we make so many milk products with the milk. Okay, like paneer, cheese, butter, okay, curd, etc., and lots of sweet dishes. Okay, so cow is a very important animal for us. Is that clear? Now move on to the next one. So what is this, student? This is a bird. What is this? This is a bird. This is a bird. So where do the birds live, students? Do you know where do the birds live? Have you seen ever a bird? Definitely you have seen ever a bird. So birds live in a nest. So you have to take the bird to the nest. Okay, you have to take the bird to the nest. Okay, like this you have to draw a line between the bird and nest. Is that clear? Very good. Now move on to the next animal, students. So what is the next animal? Tell me. This is a rabbit. What is this? This is a rabbit. Do you like rabbit, students? Rabbits are so cute, huh? Rabbits are so cute, right? So where do the rabbits live, students? Have you seen ever a rabbit, students? So rabbits live in a students, rabbits live in burrow. Where do they live? They live in a burrow. Okay, means they make a hole. Okay, they make a hole in the floor or anywhere, and they lives in it. Okay, so rabbits live in a burrow. Okay, rabbits live in a burrow. So you have to take the rabbit to its home. Okay, is that clear? Now you have to complete this in your book. Now students, here you can see a fact is given here. Okay, the female hummingbird bird uses spider webs to hold her nest together. Okay, so there is a bird, hummingbird. Okay, so a bird, hummingbird. So the hummingbird, okay, the female hummingbird, okay, the female hummingbird uses a spider. Okay, uses her spider to hold spider webs to hold her nest together. Okay, she use her spider webs to hold her nest together. Okay, so wherever she goes, she take their nest with her. Okay, so it is a interesting thing that we know today. Okay, so the hummingbird, so you should know it. Okay, because it is in your book. You have to remember it, that there is a hummingbird. Okay, her name is hummingbird. Okay, and the female hummingbird uses spider webs to hold her nest together. Okay, wherever she goes, she take their nest with herself. Okay, all the birds don't do so, but hummingbird do so. Okay, is that clear? So students, there is a homework for you. You have to complete this worksheet, okay, in your book. You have to complete this chapter and you have to learn the animals homes name, okay. So where do the animals live? Like lion live in a den, so you have to learn that lion lives in a den, and with the spelling, okay, you have to learn with the spelling animals homes name with their spellings, okay. Is that clear? So you have to complete it and learn it. Is that clear? Now bye bye, take care of yourself and see you in the next video lesson.